Are you a small business owner in the U.S. looking to protect your business from unexpected accidents or damages? Ever wonder how you can safeguard your investment without breaking the bank? In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about business owners' policy insurance, or BOP insurance, and how you can get it step by step. To get the insurance from the best-rated insurance company, check out the link in the description box below. Step 1. What is a business owner's policy? Let's start with the basics. A business owner's policy, or BOP insurance, is a package that combines two essential types of business insurance: general liability and commercial property insurance. It's a smart option for small business owners because it offers two levels of protection in one affordable plan. Plus, it's typically less expensive than purchasing each type of coverage separately. General liability insurance covers costs if someone outside of your company, like a customer or vendor, gets injured or if you accidentally damage someone else's property. And commercial property insurance protects your business's equipment, goods, and even the building itself after events like fires or water damage. Step 2. Why do you need BOP insurance? Now, why should you consider BOP insurance for your business? If you run a small business with a physical location, have valuable inventory, or interact with the public, BOP insurance can be a lifesaver. It helps cover the cost of property damage, injuries, court and legal fees, business interruptions, and even inventory replacement. For example, if someone slips and falls at your business, your policy can cover their medical bills. Or, if a fire damages your office, BOP insurance can help cover the cost to repair or rebuild, plus any lost income while your business is closed. Step 3. How much does BOP insurance cost? Alright, now you're probably wondering, how much does BOP insurance cost? Well, the cost of your BOP plan will depend on several factors: the type of business you run, where it's located, your claims history, and the coverage limits you choose. Businesses with higher risks of injury or damage, like restaurants, will usually pay a bit more. But, Next Insurance provides a 10% discount for bundling general liability and commercial property insurance into one policy instead of buying them separately. Bundling is a huge benefit for saving money while keeping your business protected. Step 4. How to get a free BOP insurance quote. Ready to see how much BOP insurance would cost for your business? You can get a free quote online in just a few minutes. Here's what you'll need to provide to get an accurate quote. Your industry. Location of your business. Number of years in business. Number of employees. Property owned or leased. Expected annual revenue. Recent claims history. These details help customize your insurance plan so it fits your business's specific needs. Once you've filled out the information, you'll see several package options. Pick the one that suits your business best, and you're ready to go. Step 5. Choosing the right coverage for your business. One great feature of BOP insurance is that you can tailor your coverage to fit your industry's specific needs. Let's say you own a restaurant. You might add a spoilage endorsement, which covers loss of inventory if a refrigerator fails during a power outage. Or, if you have employees, you may want to add workers' compensation insurance to protect them from work-related injuries. You can even combine BOP with commercial auto insurance if you drive for business purposes. It's all about building the right policy for your needs. Step 6. What happens after you purchase BOP insurance? Once you've chosen and purchased your BOP insurance, your coverage begins immediately. You'll also have 24/7 access to manage your policy. Whether you need to add insureds or share proof of insurance with clients, it's all just a click away on your desktop or mobile app. It's that simple. Protecting your small business is one of the smartest investments you can make. And with a business owner's policy, you get all the coverage you need in one affordable package. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Next Insurance or your preferred provider and get a quote today. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.